it's Ashley. So this is the long-awaited and most requested room tour video. And I'll be showing you guys my bedroom and also my filming area. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so the moment you come into this room, you'll be seeing this. Ano to? I just put here my school bag. It's the P.L. Robin Conkin bag in black. And of course, my school ID. And then right over here, I have a photo wall. This is just composed of my favorite memories, like Hong Kong kami, my meet and greet, I'm with my family, prom, you know, just random stuff. You can come over here, you know, check out this cute dog. And then, ayan, it's just, oh my gosh, natanggal na yung stick nito. I just use this as a backdrop whenever I need photos for IG. So this is my desk. As much as possible, I don't want a lot of things to be on here, but honestly guys, nagiging messy rin to. But I really wanted a big workplace for me to edit and do homework. And I didn't want a lot of things to be displayed because I have such short attention span. Like, if maraming naka-display, I'll be distracted. Right over here, come on. Right over here, I just have this. It's actually a vase or a vase. Anyway, on to my first desk drawer. I have in here my school stuff. Just my sticky notes, paper clips, push pins, glue, scissors, to-do lists here, another notebook, and also some tapes and this index card organizer. So that's that. Now on to the next or second drawer. I have another school supplies, or more school supplies rather. I have coloring pencils, some charger, earphones, power bank, and a whole lot more. So that's about that for this drawer. Now onto this side, of course, this record player. This is just new. This is actually a gift for myself for all the hard work. Right over here is my skincare station. Like, this is where I put all of my skincare, so it will be easier for me to access. So I also put my jewelry box over here, so it just contains all of my jewelries. And then right over here are boxes. Now these boxes contain all of my film photos because, just so you know, I'm already a film student, so these are some of my outputs. Then also I have some photos over here from my disposable film camera. By the way, I do have an account dedicated to these, so go check it out. I'll be linking it down below. And then I also have some Polaroids. So yeah, these are just random stuff. Now we are here at my side table area. I only have 2 real plants in my room. I named this plant Seikal, so it actually demands a little water and a little bit of sunlight. So hindi siya super, yeah. Anyway, this is not a high maintenance plant now. That's why I bought it. I got it. But then you guys, it's quite dead. It's dying, you guys. Sabi na hindi siya high maintenance. But I actually expose it sa sun. I feed her. But guys, it's a lie. It's high maintenance because look at this. But anyway, let's go here. This naman is Baby Seikal. I just named her now. This is her mom. Anyway, this is my plant, my little plant. And then I also have my hard case for my eyeglasses because I'm basically blind. For this one, it actually used to contain my skincare, but it doesn't fit anymore. So I just put my cotton pad and all those stuff, and also my contact lenses. And for this thing, this unicorn thing, I put here my everyday accessories, like for when I sleep. I just put them there. So this is my bed, aka my most favorite part of the world, because I spend 99% of my time here. I study here, I sleep here, I eat here, I do a lot of things here. This is my favorite because it's so comfy. Like, I always look forward going home to this and just laying down here. Originally, I had a bed with the whole bed frame, but I think this bed is very ideal for small rooms like this because it makes the place look more spacious. Alright guys, so now we are here at my filming area. ito yung nakita niyo na a lot of times. So, these are my lights. Isa to sa mga ginagamit ko, yung mga softbox light. They just stay here. So, whoop. Yeah, they stay here. And then right over here is the fig tree. Although this one is fake because I can't keep a plant alive. That's why, ayan, ganyan lang siya. And then, this is the chair na ginagamit ko whenever I film hauls or other videos. And actually, minsan tumatambay lang ako dito, nag-edit and all. So, that's the chair. Ito, hindi siya medyo akma dun sa theme ko kasi I'm leaning more on like gold tones and all. Right over here is my Lesac and Papier. I can't pronounce it, so please don't cringe. Hindi ko talaga alam. And dapat kasi talaga dito yung silver play button ko, but I haven't unboxed it yet. So ito naman yung side table ko that is similar to the one that I have in my bedroom. But ang naka-display lang dito is this vase or vase, whatever you call it. Anyway, moving on to my favorite part of this room, which is this part. I guess, ito na yung super gas-gas kong background kasi ito yung paulit-ulit yung nakikita. It just has this clothing rack over here and I just display my favorite pieces na kahit hindi siya advisable sa Philippines because of the weather, dinisplay ko na lang sila instead. And then, of course, my favorite decor, which is the neon light sign. It actually took me some time na isipin kung ano yung gusto kong statement na nakalagay dyan. And I think this one is perfect to remind me of the real purpose why I'm doing this whole YouTube thing and why I have this place. Full-length mirror. This is actually originally this is originally color brown, but I spray painted it gold because I dislike the color brown para mas match siya sa theme and whole aesthetic of the room. And this is where I just capture some of my OOTDs. Ayan. Okay, now let's move to my vanity. The top part of the shelf, and it just contains a picture frame and of course another fake plant yet again. Naka-display yung mga according to their aesthetic na products. I'm leaning more on black and white so that it looks more clean that way. This is a marble brush holder. Ayan, nako-cover siya para maprotektahan from dust. I'll show you guys my makeup collection. Although it's not that big of a collection, pero I'm pretty grateful for this because 99% of them were free. So, thank you po sa lahat ng brands na nagpadala. So, this is my makeup collection. Right over here, some lipsticks over here. May Maybelline, Caroline, another Maybelline. Meron din akong Generation Happy Skin. And lip tints from online shops. Sunny's Face. And dito nakalagay mga pang-prep ng skin ko like my lip balm and my primer. And here I have my concealers and eyebrow products and of course my mascara. Okay, so I also have little drawers here sa side. It just contains some batteries and tapes, other stuff na hindi related to makeup. And then I also have this drawer over here that contains some nail stuff. And then this one, my plant na sobrang gamit na gamit ko. Ito yung OG background ko nung nagsistart pa lang ako sa YouTube. And this desk was actually given to me by my mom during my birthday. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung ito binili. Ang dami kasi nagtatanong kung saan ko nabili yung desk ko. Ipagayan nyo na lang. I also have this vanity mirror. So that's about it for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you so much for patiently waiting for this room tour video to happen. Comment down below your video suggestions. And guys, all the items, I will try to link them down below in the description box if you're interested to get the same thing. And again, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! This is my